Hey, everyone. This is Sagar, and this is an AI voice I used to create this video. Today, I'm excited to show you this unique emotion visualization tool I've created using Python. This application helps users track and visualize their emotional states in a beautiful, interactive 3D sphere. I think about it while being in the library, thinking it would be great to see how others are visually feeling in a day so they can choose their mood, and the data sculpture will show all the emotions in real time. At the heart of the application is a dynamic 3D sphere that morphs and changes based on your emotions. Each emotion creates a unique bump or deformation on the sphere surface. The more times you log an emotion, the larger its impact on the sphere. The application tracks 15 different emotions, including happy, sad, angry, calm, anxious, peaceful, excited, bored, jealous, in love, tired, confident, insecure, grateful, and stressed. Each emotion has its own unique position and color on the sphere. Users can rotate the sphere manually using sliders or mouse control. There's an auto-rotate feature for continuous movement. You can change the color theme with options like Plasma, Voridus, Magma, Inferno, and Civitas. You can customize the background color, and there is a reset button to clear all emotions. This is built using Python with Tinter for the GUI and uses Matplotlib for 3D visualization. It implements Gaussian deformation for smooth emotional impacts and optimized performance with adaptive mesh density. The purpose was to track the personal emotions, and it's a therapeutic tool for visualizing emotional states. It can also be used for mental health monitoring. This tool provides a unique way to visualize and understand our emotional states, making abstract feelings more tangible and visible. It's particularly useful for those interested in emotional awareness, mental health professionals, or anyone wanting to track their emotional journey in a visually engaging way. I think it can be really fun to make a real version of this, using a sphere covered with stretchable fabric and robotic handles in the center of the sphere to stretch the fabric based on the emotion track. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.